Hello, heroes. It's Buildable Hero here, and I am back with some more mocks. I sure hope that you have liked my new series for gameplay videos. Finally figured out how to record my gameplay on my computer. Oh, by the way, I have created a new stand for my Legos now. This stand is rotatable, but not very sturdy. I'll have to work on that. So this is called the Bulk / Evo Earthquake Machine, or the Bulk and Evo Earthquake Combiner. And the funny thing is, it can also create tidal waves when it is in this mode that it's in right now. Right now it is in its transport mode, which allows them to either go around in space, head that way, or go underwater. And if this were the actual cartoon, then there would basically be some doors here instead of just that. Oh, forgot to turn the hand this way, so that way it looks better. Well, this thing is actually tilted upwards a little bit, as you can see. And let me give you a slow 360. You see right here is the Evo armor piece, because and it's for the Invasion from Below series. So, and also these cannons also can propel it in space or underwater, and these are actually the legs up here. This is the canister. It has two little jumpers, much like this one, actually exactly like this one. Just couldn't fit them in there. Okay. And these also propel him forward, surprisingly. These are his earthquake mechanisms, which is... the weapons are actually what Evo controls. That's why... okay, I'm just going to get to that later. As you can see, there's the bulk armor piece. Right there, from Invasion from Below. There's a nice beef piece. Couldn't find anything here, so I just put a claw right here from Lego Atlantis from a few years back. And this is one of the pieces from the new sets for Hero Factory recently. I'm going to start doing some Bionicle videos soon with the brand new Bionicles, because don't hate me for this, but at first I didn't even know about Bionicle until I started playing with Hero Factory, and I found Bionicles at Lego, at some yard sales, or Hobby Lobby, or no, not Hobby Lobby or Home Depot. At Goodwill, maybe. Or on eBay. And that's actually when I started liking the Legos. The Lego Bionicles a little bit. But this year, I think that they were smart to keep the design for the Lego Hero Factory for Bionicles, but I'll cover all that in my review for Bionicles. I'm going to get Tahu and his protector and the Lord of Skull Spiders probably next time I go to Toys R Us. There we go. Sorry. I might actually think about taking those feet off there because they look funny. They look like two bunny ears. So, now let's look at the figures. Here is Bulk in his combiner mode. See his arm and his right arm. No, wait. That's his left arm, and his left leg are Evo's left arm and left leg, and Evo's left arm and left leg are actually Bulk's left arm and left leg. So, okay, that just confused me. Well, here is Bulk, and I actually did it so this guy would match the bigger one. This guy, as I said, works the weapon systems. So he is the opposite arm color and leg color as Bulk. Now Bulk runs the arms and the legs. And here's a little bit of, here's a jumper here. Whoopsies. That went far. Well then. I will be right back in just a second. I am going to change this thing back into its robot mode. Okay, I'm back, guys. So here is the robot mode of this guy. I actually, since this weapon is a bit heavy, I have to keep this leg outward a bit. But other than that, no real bad things about this set that I can see. Well, other than the fact that it doesn't like to stand very well. But then again, if I do this, it might try to do the splits, but it won't fall. So, yeah. Well, I hope that you guys liked the video. Can we go for about 25 likes? That would be pretty awesome. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and leave a comment below on what you thought about this. I will see you later, heroes.